Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep JK water leak step by step. First, let's identify the usual suspects. Many leaks originate from the two freedom panels on the roof or around the door seals. Also, inspect your cowl drains for any blockages and check the condition of all weather stripping. A simple water test, using a garden hose, can help you precisely locate where the water is entering your vehicle. This initial inspection is crucial for an effective repair. Now let's tackle the freedom panels and door seals. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the seals on both freedom panels and then carefully reseat them, ensuring they are latched securely. Applying a thin layer of dielectric grease to these seals can significantly enhance their water-repelling properties. For your doors, closely examine the rubber seals for any visible cracks, tears, or signs of compression. If they appear damaged, replacing them is often the best solution for a lasting fix. Next, let's look at the cowl drains and windshield seal. The cowl drains, located beneath the windshield, can easily become clogged with leaves and debris, causing water to back up and enter the cabin. Use a small tool or compressed air to clear them out. Then, carefully inspect the entire perimeter of your windshield seal for any visible gaps or signs of wear. For minor gaps, a thin, 1/8 inch bead of RTV sealant can often provide an effective repair. To keep your Jeep dry, regular preventative maintenance is key. Make it a habit to periodically inspect all your seals, including those on the freedom panels, doors, and windshield, for any signs of wear or damage. Also, ensure your cowl drains remain clear of debris. Keeping your vehicle clean, particularly around the roof and door channels, helps prevent accumulation that can lead to leaks. If you encounter persistent or complex leaks, seeking a professional inspection is always a wise decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.